gets here. Wait. Pause it.
Ooh, I need a good shot of it.
Okay.
That's how YouTube works. You gotta get a good run-up view.
It's still too far away.
Yes! Looks like a K5 LA.
It's wet up there. You don't want up there. Come here. You want on my shoulders? You want up on my shoulders? One. Hold on. 1, 2.
That looks awesome!
Hold on to Dad's head, because Dad's not holding on to you right now. Okay, I got you.
That's a lot of gold!
Yes, it is.
Some of these I know what railroads they're from.
It's a good safe distance drive. You can see everything really good and see how it works and stuff, but
And zoom.
safe distance back.
Wow.
Don't you agree?
Yeah. And this is the first coal that we have. Probably in about 15 minutes we'll have another one.
We'll see.
Ooh, it's cold. Oh, it's about to snow. I don't like that. Woo! Woo! Try it. The camera's a little shaky. I'm cold. Let me warm up my right hand. I'm warming it with my left. I mean my other hand, my left hand, and warm. Hold right hand, warm left hand. Whoa! It's pretty nice. Bang, 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 bang. That's like one block away. Why does it always sound like that?
Feel the train shaking the ground, Axel?
Yeah. This thing looks insane. Dude, this is the longest coal train I've ever seen. Left hand's warm again. Switch. Oh! I think that's KCS. Kansas City Southern! No way! There's no way that that's Kansas City Southern. No way! No way! Ah, nice City Rail. Come on. Yeah! Dude, I thought that was Kansas City Southern for a second. Scared the crap out of me. Holy fudge. God. A couple of the cars with crude oil. God, it scared the crap out of me. Pretty sure we got another one. Oh, yep, we got another. Ah, crap, it's wet. Don't get up there. Why not? Got another one, guys. Dude, we have two going this way, and then one going that way. This is the second one going this way. Yeah! There were two are going that way, and then there was one of them that went this way. That's weird.
if you like peanut butter.
Here comes another one. Yeah! Swoosh! Get that swoosh!
The cars aren't that loud.
Not right now. Some of them scream.
Hi
We
guys.
know what times they come by on Saturdays, don't we?
Hi guys.
Yep.
You saw me in videos before.
Hello.
You
It's
saw
a
me.
person.
You saw,
It's a person.
What was that?
dude, it's
What?
me, Axel. It's me, Axel.
What is this? It's air brake release.
Guys, it's me, Axel.
I don't think it had no brakes on it.
No, that
Get
no.
up out of the dirt.
See the hoses that are hanging down? Those are full of compressed air. They released them. Yeah, this one's going just a tad slower than this one that had city rail. Now, hopefully this one doesn't have just BNSF engines, because that would be nice.
Did you hear it?
Oh, that?
Hear it again?
Yeah, that's bad rail joints is what that is. Look over here, guys. You got grass and whatnot. Can I go past the trees just a tiny bit so it's easier to see?
Go past what?
These,
Yeah.
just a little bit. There it is. The beauty of the railroad. What could get better than this? It's all the way down there. Let me unzoom. That's fully unzoomed. That's fully zoomed. Unzoomed, resume. This thing has to be at least a mile or two long. Jeez. This is ridiculous. Wow. Let me zoom out because we got a train coming. Got the end of the train. Dude, and I heard two horns.
That is.
I heard two horns. So
Isn't
this.
that? Hey.
Hey, stop!
Isn't that awesome?
Stop!
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, it is awesome. Get out of my way. Just all BNSF, I guess. And the rest.
That was awesome.
Bye-bye.